As you continue to step 6, you will need to complete the appropriate information. So English preference, institutional email address is the same email address probably that you entered earlier. Enter your gender, highest degree completed, which is probably high school, your employee student number. Do not use your W number here, just use your 9-digit numerical portion of the W number. Department is PESH, capital P-E-S-H. Role in research is an undergraduate research student, so student researcher for an undergraduate level. You do not have to and are not required to complete address. That's your choice. I'm going to skip that portion right now, but I do need to complete a phone number. So I'm going to put in my a fake number here for the purposes of this video. Once you've completed that information, continue to step 7. There are several screens for step 7, so follow closely. The first screen for step 7, you are going to choose which type of research setting that you will complete your research. We are going to choose human subjects research and the responsible conduct of research. These will enable that we are registered for the correct courses, and then click Next. In order to place you in the appropriate course, we need to know if you have previously completed the basic course in protection of human subjects. No, you have not, since this is your first time registering with the CitiProgram. Then click Next. If this is your first time taking a Citi course at Winthrop, choose one learner group below based on your role and the type of human subject activities you will conduct. You will be enrolled in the basic course. So you are a social and behavioral research investigator. Please make your selection below to receive the courses in the responsible conduct of research. We are going to select the social and behavioral responsible conduct of research course, and then click Next. We are there. Finally, finalize your registration and you are complete. Hope this helps.